Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your currency on your Shopify store in 2023. So offering multiple currency options in your Shopify store can enhance the shopping experience for customers from different regions. And of course, if you're looking to change the currency on your Shopify store in 2023, this guide will walk you through the steps or the necessary process. So let's just dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type shopify.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to go and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on Start a Free Trial, and of course, you'll have to go and create your account by entering your information. If you don't know much about Shopify, you can scroll down, read all the information that you need, as example, and of course, here you'll even find the pricing that you plan that Shopify has after, of course, your free trial. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account, as example. And of course, I'm just going to create another store because as you can see, all of them are inactive. So simply, let's just go and create another store, skip all. I don't care on answering right now. So I'm just going to choose an account, remind me next time. And here, choose this again. As I said, remind me next time. So maybe confirm. Okay, my store is being created. As simple as that. So we'll have to go and wait a bit. Should not take a lot of time, so let's just wait. Maybe it will take like a couple of seconds, maybe 10, 20, 15. Should not take a lot of time, so it will not waste a lot of time. And here is it. As you can see, our Shopify store is created, and as you can see, their free trial will end in for July, maybe in 5 days, I guess. So here we are. So of course you'll have to go and finish this step guide example. So you'll have to go and use this personalized guide to get your store up and running. Then you can change the currency as you want. So simply you'll have to go and start by adding your first product, then customizing your online store, adding pages to your store, organize your store navigation, add custom domain, and a lot of other stuff as you can see. So you'll find it here. So name your store, set up payments provider, set up shipping rates, and a lot of other stuff. So make sure and to do that all so you'll not or your store will be ready. Then you'll have to go and access your Shopify store settings. So simply go here to the store settings, and as you can see, you'll find here the store settings. So simply you can go and click on name the store example. Once you do so, you'll find the store details. So for you, you'll have to go and navigate to the currency settings. So as you can see, the store currency. We find here the currency your products are sold in for your payout currency. You can go to this payment settings. And of course, as you can see, the store currency right now is this MAD or Moroccan dirhams. And of course, we can change it to whatever we want from here. So we can change US dollars, euros, British pound, and a lot of other stuff. As you can see, there is a lot of things here. You can even choose some X's here. I don't know what that is. So anyway, you can choose whatever currency you want. Once you change anything, make sure to go and click on save. And of course, as you can see, the thing that we clicked on it here, as you can see, the payment settings, that opens a new tab for us. So here, of course, we can go and add some payments providers for us and a lot of other stuffs. So other than that, of course, you'll be able to do multiple things on Shopify. So you can, as example, customize your store. You can, of course, explore the various customization option available on Shopify. And of course, you can, as an example, it's important or it's crucial to choose the right theme for your brand example, and make sure to customize the theme appearance and layouts and colors, of course, depending on your needs. Then, of course, you can even show the flexibility Shopify drag and drop editor. And of course, you can, as an example, extend the functionality with apps. So this apps option is very useful on Shopify. Of course, if you click on add apps, as you can see, you'll find the apps that you already have, as an example, in your Shopify store. And of course, if you didn't find the app that you want here, you can simply go and click on find more apps in the Shopify app store. Once you click on it, of course, those are like the plugins that you find on WordPress and a lot of other stuffs. So these apps are just insane. This will help you with kind of everything that you want in your Shopify store. If you didn't trust, of course, you can go and check one of, I mean, not just one, a lot of our videos in this channel. You can do a lot of other stuff with Shopify with just the apps. I showed you how to do a lot of stuff with just the app. With just the app. So simply, whatever you have in mind, as example, you want to add like some social icons on your Shopify store. So you'll have to simply go here and type social media as example. Why not? And as you can see, you'll find here social media icons and a lot of other stuff. Let's just choose an example. We want payments as an example, getaway. So as you can see, you'll find a lot of apps that can do that for you. So basically, you don't have to do a lot of stuff by yourself. You can keep it to the app to do it for yourself. You can even use a filter here that has like customized checkout or works with just Shopify posts. And of course, you can choose a lot of other stuff. Other than this app, of course, you can, as example, sell in across like channels. There is the power of course of multi-channels, and you can Shopify, of course, you can integrate it with your social media platforms and marketplace. And of course, you can even set up and manage your sales and channels like on even like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. And of course, make sure to go and keep an eye on the marketing of your Shopify store. And of course, your online store will always find this here on this left panel as an example. So whatever you made on changes or whatever you did on your store, you'll be able to preview it from here. So as you can see, if you click on this eye, you'll be able to view your online store. So as an example, this will open a new tab. Here you'll find your store as an example, and you'll be able to see the themes, the blog posts, the pages, the navigation, preferences, and as you can see, you'll be able to customize this. And of course, normally if you have just your free trial, they will ask you to pick a plan. So simply you'll have to go and pick a plan from here. As you can see, you'll be able to add some themes in the theme library, or you can upload your theme as an example if you have it already like downloaded in your PC into your PC. You can connect from GitHub like some themes. You can even visit the theme store as an example. Here you'll find a lot of themes. This could be interesting for you. So make sure to go and choose whatever theme as an example be good for you. Of course, some of them you'll find some free ones. That's definitely sure. As you can see, this is free. This is not free, but normally free ones you'll not find many colors. You'll not find it that interesting. So other themes normally it's gonna be paid, but a lot of them like are pretty good. So make sure to go and see all the themes example from here, or you can even see some collections from here. So here on all themes you'll be able to see all themes, and then you can choose the theme that you like to put it on your store. So as you guys said, there are some good free themes. An example, this is for surfing, this is for, I don't know, you can go and check that by your own. So of course there is some good themes that are free. As you can see, this is for taste and a lot of other stuffs. So you can see there's the pages, navigation, preferences. There's even this point of sale as example. And so let's just wait for the page itself loads. And as you can see, of course, our free trial will end in 4 July. So of course, here you'll have to go and answer some simple questions. Make sure to answer them, not to skip them, because they will help you a lot with the point of sale. And of course, here you'll find a lot of pages that will help you, including home, orders, products, customers, content analytics, marketing, and even discounts that you can put on your store. Of course, all of those you'll be able to edit on your store. So that's gonna be basically it. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. By following these steps, you can easily change like the currency on your Shopify store in 2023. Of course, offering multiple currencies can help expand your customer base and provide seamless shopping experience for customers around the world. So start implementing this feature on your Shopify store today and unlock new opportunities for global sales. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.